What's good, y'all? This is Bino99, and today I'm coming back to you with another video. You know what I'm saying? I would like to thank everybody for supporting this channel. As you can see, we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? That's just ridiculous. And don't mind the sound back there. There's a bunch of bullshit going on with ambulance and stuff like that. But literally, I'm really proud of myself and proud of you guys for watching my content and just simply letting me be me, really, because this, I'll have to say, this is the most realist channel that you can go on and watch, even if it's like random or boringish, whatever. But I don't care, because I post content for you guys so you guys can learn and make decisions about yourselves and what you want to buy, you know what I mean? But it's more than that, you know? So I feel like I give you guys a commemoration for letting me be me and letting me work my butt off to get to 1,000 subscribers and keep on going until the very end, at least, you know? But we're not at that point yet, and we're not gonna make this a sobbing story. So for today, we got another package. Now, this is really a funny story. I think a couple weeks back, when I was basically about to fall asleep, I was catching up on homework and shit, you know, typical school stuff. And once I was about to fall asleep, my phone just like started buzzing, and I looked at it. It says, "Hey Bino, congratulations." I'm all like, wait, what? So I looked through, and all I see was someone saying, "Congratulations, you just won the sneaker raffle." And I was like, "Sneaker raffle for what are you talking about?" I didn't have no clue what the raffle was. Like, there was a bunch of YouTubers, bunch of other people as well, like a lot of them, and all of a sudden they picked my name out of like a selection hat, and they congratulated me on getting a free pair of shoes. And I was like, oh really? At first I thought it was bullshitting, but nah, like they literally sent it to me. I didn't see it because I just immediately put my phone down and fell asleep, but I was really impressed to see that I won a raffle, which is crazy. And you know my history of winning raffles. So far I'm 3-5, you know what I mean? But like, not like LeBron's finals record, but yeah, it's just crazy, you know? But I'm happy that basically we got the dub on this shoe, and it's one of those shoes where I don't know what the shoe it is, but I feel like it's one of those shoes that it's gonna have more surprise to it, you know, depending on what the name of the shoe is. But yeah, man, so the box, let's cut this thing open, you feel me? And this is the worst part I hate about unboxing. The knife is very difficult. Bleed. All right. Man, there we go. Part 1. Done. Now, next part. Keep it coming. Quicker than the wrapping, of course. Okay. A little preview for y'all, as y'all can see. Purple Nike box. A purple Nike box, purple Nike SB box mean any type of shoe, really. So like, they can come in a different, there's the same shoe, but they can come in a different type of colored box, you know? So it doesn't have to be a specific Nike color box. It just has to be in a regular box that says Nike on it. But but y'all know what I mean, really. Let's see. Okay then. I see the box is purple, got that code right there. Like I said, y'all, even again, if you scan this code, it's gonna send you directly to Nike. It's not gonna send you to any app that says, oh, this has been authenticated. No, don't do that. Don't even try to do that. And don't even say that, oh yeah, this shit's certified fresh. No, it'll just send you to the Nike website. Get it through your head, okay? Thank you. All right, let's move on. Let me open this bitch up. Ooh. I like how the green paper wrap looks. Y'all see this? Y'all look at this? Yo, this is really dope. come to think of it, I never seen Nike paper wrap look greenish with white lines and shit like that. So this is a first for me. Oh, yo, this is nuts. Oh my gosh. Absolutely crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. So this is what y'all sent me? Damn, y'all sent me this? Yo, what? What? Oh, let me put this box right here. What? Yo, this is sick, bro. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised they sent me this. Like, yo, this is sick as hell. For real, like, an ACG Terra dunk. Like, bruh, I'm not even a big, again, my iPhone's purple. This shoe's dark purple, so fuck it. Like, purple on purple, really. And red laces too. Light red laces goes well with my National Geographic t-shirt. This is fresh, bro. Yellow laces as well. Whew. This is like, this is dope, man. This is really dope. I can't lie. Like, I like how the suede looks. They smell like an actual retail pair. Like, this shit's nice. Like, bruh, this is actually dope as hell. Yo, I think the people that sent me this shoe, I thank you 100%. Thank you for letting me get this shoe in this raffle one. Like, man, I wasn't even thinking if I was gonna get this shoe or not. And look at this, like, look at the suede material. Like, look at this. Look at the suede. Look how it looks. It looks like it almost reminds me of an ACG more like a traveling boot, really. I don't know if y'all know ACG boots or not, but they used to be hip when I was younger. Like, everyone wanted to get ACG boots. I never wear them because I always thought them shits was kind of like overrated because people buy them a lot and stuff. But yeah, it is kind of a thing. But since they put the colorway on the dunks, you're gonna see your boy wearing this shit on a daily basis. You feel me? And what they have right here, they got that shoe scuffle right there. The tongue is all puffy. Look at that. The tongue is all puffy right there, man. The laces. I like how the laces, the lighting puts on the laces. Like, it kind of reminds me of mac and cheese, really. Look at this shoe. Like, this shoe is clean. Let me take out the other pair. So clean, bro. This is too clean. Like, look at this. Look at this shoe. Like, really look at it. This shoe is absolutely crazy. This is absolutely crazy, man. Real crazy. Absolutely crazy. I thank y'all for sending me this shoe, really. Like, the suede's nice. The stitching is perfect. What else they have in the back? Everything on the back of the Nike shoe looks 100% perfect. Let me see the back of the suede. Ooh, wee! Yo, this is crazy. Yo, man, thank you. I honestly thank you again for this. The shoe is, without a doubt, 10 for 10. I have to, like, when it comes to dunks, I like my dunks very comfortable, like, very basic and very clean. Like, this one right here, one right out the park. Like, man, this is really dope. Thank y'all. I thank y'all. But now, with enough being said,